Hey guys, also Scarlet here, and welcome back to a brand new question video. So before I ask this question, Ratchet and Clank question for today, just want to let you guys know that today is my birthday. Yay! So, hold on, I do have Alexa with me, and Ozzy's right next to you too. Okay, Alexa, today's my birthday. Hey Alexa, today's my birthday.
Happy birthday. If you'd like, ask me to sing happy birthday and we'll celebrate.
Alexa, sing me a birthday song.
Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
Alexa, thank you for the birthday song.
Sorry, I don't know that, but I do have a skill you might like. It's called the birthday song. Wanna try it?
Alexa, I'm good.
Sorry, I don't know that, but
Hey Alexa, have a good day today.
same to you.
Anyways, that was Alexa wishing me a special happy birthday. Now, will you give me a moment? I'm going to quickly grab Ozzy for a second. I'll be right back. Hold on, let me just put this on the charger first. Please. There we go. I'm just going to quickly grab Ozzy for a second. Here he is. Yeah. Here's Ozzy, everyone. Hey. Oh, actually. So I brought Ozzy with me today. So, yeah. Anyways, now let's get on to this Ratchet and Clank question. Okay. Which Okay, which character do you guys think is the coolest character in the new Ratchet and Clank game? Is it Kit or Clank? If some of you haven't played or heard of this video game, then make sure to go to YouTube, type in Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart cutscenes, and watch the whole entire cutscenes, and you'll know the answer to this Ratchet and Clank question video. Anyways, yeah. So if you guys do have an answer already, then make sure to put your answers in the comments down below. But just in case if the comments are turned off because of YouTube and COPA, like always, then make sure to go to one of these 4 links in the description down below at all times, or go to Discord to answer this question. My Discord name will always be in the description down below at all times, so you guys can friend and chat with me, or answer this question, either way. And yeah, so in case if you guys don't have one of these websites/apps, then make sure to download them, get everything situated, then answer this question. Anyways, I gotta get going. Oh yeah. In case if you guys want to see more videos with Tiger, Ahi, or Alexa, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to click the bell button to get notifications. So yeah, I gotta get going to celebrate my birthday. I see you guys guys later. And yeah, so I gotta get going. You guys are awesome. I love y'all. I'm gonna celebrate my birthday with my family. And yeah, so bye.